Hi, it's Pavel with a Visual Basic exercise. This one is we'll be querying a database, a Microsoft Access database. We are going to write a program that fills a list box with the names of the films in the lines table of the movies database. When the user clicks on the name of a film, the lead male actor in that film should be displayed in the text box. Now, just so you know what it all means, we have a list box. I named it list box movies. This is going to be populated with the movies, with the name of the movies from the database. And here we have a text box that when we click on any of the movies in the list box, the text box will be populated with the actor or the lead actor from that particular movie. I'll show you the database. This is the Access database. That's it's two tables. One table it's called lines. It says famous lines and film. Those are the two columns in there. And the other one is the actors table, and it has the film and the male lead. And this is the one we will be using. We have the film, and again, it's going to be in the list box. And when the user clicks it, it will show the name of the actor from that movie. So I have the form already. I got the binding source over here from the toolbox, and when we go to the properties of the binding source, the data source is the movie set, which I simply added by going on to add project data source, and I selected the movies database and data member. I created, after you bring the database in, it will show the tables, and basically I just double click the table, and it created the table adapter. Now my database is I always put it in the bin folder, in the debug folder. Here it is, the movies access database. So this is a basic simple query. If you go to our load event, it already has the table adapter. The Visual Studio does that for us after we add the adapter to the binding source. So now we can populate the list box with the movies. That's a simple query. So we will do dim query equals from, I'll name it a movie, in I think it was movies data set, and the table was called actors. And we are populating we only need the movies, so we will select movie dot film, or was it name? Film is the, if you go to the again to the database, it's the film. It's the table. I mean the column film holds the name of the films. So this will select all our movies, and now we can add it to our list box. So we will do list box. I named it list movies data source, and it equals, of course, our query dot to list. All right, so this should populate our list box with the movies. Let's see if that works. And there you go. Here we get the movies. Now, upon a click, it should display the actor in the text box. So in order for us to do that, uh, when we go to the list movies, select index change, which means when an item is selected from the list box, we do another query, and it's going to be, sorry, it's the im query equals from, uh, I'll call it an actor, in movies dataset.actors, that's the same table, and where movie, I'm sorry, where actor dot film equals whatever is selected in the list box, selected item. So this film, the name of the film from the actor's table, needs to match the name of the movie that is being selected. All right. So and now all we have to do is select the actor, which is going to be simply select actor dot and the table of the column was called male lead. Go to actor, it's called male lead. So this will select our actor, and now this is a text box. So we populate the text box simply by doing text box actor dot text, and it equals to a query, and we are only selecting one record, so it's the first that is being selected, and we'll do it to string. All right, and that should actually be all. If we run it now, we get here you see the Lord of the Rings on the Serkins. We go Taxi Driver. We got Robert De Niro, Star Wars, Harrison Ford, The Godfather, Marlon Brando, and so forth. So we got again when we click the name of the movie, the actor's name shows in the text box as expected. So this is just a quick query exercise, how to get data from into the list box and from Microsoft Access database, and how to kind of link those data. All right, so hope it helps you, and I will see you next time. Take care.